Hi everyone, this is Marvel Watch and my name is Kane. I'm Groot was just released and we are already looking down the barrel at another Disney Plus Marvel show, She-Hulk Attorney at Law. A week ago, Marvel announced that the show will not air on Wednesdays like most of the other live-action shows so far, but on Thursdays. So a week from today, Thursday, August 18, we'll get the first episode of She-Hulk Attorney at Law. I'm honestly rather hesitant about this show. There are several things that I don't feel ready to embrace, but I wasn't too thrilled about Hawkeye in the month leading up to it either, and that show blew me away. To be sure, She-Hulk will be different. It will possibly be very different from what we've seen so far. It will be a half-hour comedy show with 9 episodes created by Jessica Gao. It stars Tatiana Maslany as Jennifer Walters and her alter ego She-Hulk, Ginger Gonzaga as her friend Nikki Ramos, and reprising their roles from previous Marvel projects will be Mark Ruffalo, Tim Roth and Charlie Cox. It's kind of sad to me that a lot of people are more excited about these later entries than they seem to be about She-Hulk as a character, but that's how some people roll. Personally, my misgivings have nothing to do with the main character or even with the returning side characters, even while I'm not the biggest Hulk fan. It entirely lies on how She-Hulk is presented and what it took to make her, I guess. Marvel has a big problem. Its treatment of VFX artists. They are underpaid, overworked, and if the work isn't embraced by fans, they are likely getting fired, never to work with Marvel again. Did I like how She-Hulk looked in the first trailer? No, but that's not on the VFX team, that's on Marvel for one, releasing this footage too early for the CGI to be nearly as good as it will be in the final cut, and two, for making She-Hulk look like a stick figure that lacks serious muscle mass. But the VFX teams are the ones who are blamed for all of that, and that's not okay. There's a lot to this problem, especially since the VFX artists don't work for Marvel directly and aren't unionized. But the whole discussion takes away a lot of the joy I would want to feel for a show that has such an interesting and fun character and is on top of that a lawyer show. And I love lawyer shows. I really hope that Marvel will ease up on the pressure. I don't need Marvel content every month. I actually think a lot of people are getting Marvel fatigue and it would be better to spread the projects out a little more. This would give VFX artists more time to complete the work to everybody's satisfaction as well. But I'm just me and Marvel won't listen. Though if I'm getting annoyed enough by reports like this, I might just stop watching. But before that happens, I will give She-Hulk Attorney at Law a fair chance to wow me. There's more to Marvel projects than just a corporation. There are people who work tirelessly to make the show great, and I'm still curious enough to see if it is. So 1 week from today, I will be watching She-Hulk's first episode. How about you? Thanks for watching this video, or this rant I guess. I'd like to know where you stand on all of the above, so if you feel like sharing, there are the comments below. You can also like and subscribe as always. I'll be back with the first impressions after I watch the first episode of She-Hulk Attorney at Law. Until then, be safe and watch Marvel.